Hey there, tech enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech products. Today, we've got something special for you. If you're like me and you love gaming, but you also want your setup to blend seamlessly with your living room decor, you're in for a treat. We're talking about the MUSETEX PC Case ATX 6 PWM ARGB Fans Pre-Installed Type-C mid-tower computer case in stunning black. This is not your ordinary PC case. In fact, I dare say it's the best PC case for your living room setup. Why? Well, stick around for the next 10 minutes as we dive into all the amazing features of this gaming PC case that's sure to turn heads. First things first, let's talk design and aesthetics. The MUSETEX K2 case is an absolute stunner. It's not just a PC case, it's a piece of art that'll enhance the look of any living room. With its 270 degrees fully transparent dual-tempered glass panels, you get a panoramic view of your high-end PC hardware, and it looks absolutely amazing. The black color scheme adds a touch of elegance to the room. Now, what good is a PC case if it doesn't have enough room for your components, right? Well, MUSETEX has got you covered. This mid-tower case offers a spacious interior layout that's intelligently designed for optimal component placement. Whether you're using a large GPU, beefy CPU cooler, or liquid cooling, there's room for it all. Moving on, let's talk about connectivity. The MUSETEX K2 case doesn't skimp on this front. It's equipped with a high-speed I/O panel that includes two USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C interface. This means you can effortlessly connect your devices and enjoy faster data transfer rates, making your gaming and daily tasks smoother. Gamers, this one's for you. The MUSETEX K2 comes with 6 pre-installed adjustable speed ARGB fans that not only look stunning but also keep your system cool. These fans are controlled via motherboard software, allowing you to customize various lighting modes for that immersive gaming experience. Plus, the anti-vortex blades ensure proper airflow, and combined with side fans, they provide better cooling than your average PC case. Let's not forget about practicality and durability. This tower case doesn't take up extra space on your desktop, making it ideal for a living room setup. The tempered glass panels are not only tough but also provide excellent sound insulation, creating a comfortable gaming environment. And innovative air ducts, magnetic dust filters, and thoughtful details show that MUSETEX has paid attention to every aspect of this case. Worried about post-purchase support? Don't be. MUSETEX is committed to customer satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with your case, their customer support is just a click away. In conclusion, the MUSETEX PC Case ATX 6 PWM ARGB Fans Pre-Installed Type-C mid-tower computer case in black is a game-changer for those who want both performance and style in their living room setup. It's not just a PC case, it's a work of art that showcases your hardware while keeping it cool. With its spacious interior, high-speed I/O panel, and excellent cooling, it's hard to beat. That's it for today's review, folks. If you're as impressed with the MUSETEX K2 case as I am, you'll find the link to purchase it in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy gaming!